Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to remove echo in microphone Windows 11. So let's get started real quick. First of all, let me just go through the search bar onto the Windows. Go to the search bar and search for MMSYS.cpl. Just search for it, and here you can see the control panel item you need to tap on. And from here you need to first go to the recordings option and just search for the microphone. Then go to the properties by right clicking on the mouse and properties. And now from here you will see the listen option right over here. Just tap on that, and if you're just listening to your own voice or echo happens, you can simply just untick this option right over here. Listen to this device, you need to untick it and hit apply, then go with the OK. After that you need to go to the playback option, and if you have any headphones or speakers running with you, I have headphones plugged in, so I am getting the headphones option. If you are going with the speakers, you will probably see the speaker option right over here. So after going to that, right click and properties, and then what you can do is simply go to this option, enhancement, and you need to select this option, disable on enhancement, and go with the apply like this, and then you are good to go. So I hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not. So I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Have a great day.